Hi, I'm Sean Gannon, and this is Minute Math, and today we're going to learn about operations with complex numbers, and we're going to simplify. So, if I was given this problem, 1 minus 7i, and this is all squared. Well, we know when we square something like this, it's really the same thing written twice. So we have 1 minus 7i with multiplication times 1 minus 7i. So now let's multiply all parts of my first parenthesis by all parts of my second parenthesis. 1 times 1 is 1, and 1 times 7i is, or minus 7i is a negative 7i. Negative 7i times 1 is a negative 7i, and negative 7i times a negative 7i is a positive 49i squared. Well, let's go simplify this a little bit more. 1 comes down, minus 7i is a minus 14i, right there. And then we have the 49, but instead of I squared, that's a negative 1. So we have a negative 1 right there. Well, negative 1 times 49 is a negative 49, right? So we have 1 minus 14i minus 49 right there. Okay? Well, minus 49 and 1, let's combine those together. That's a negative 48. So we have a negative, if I can write it here, 48 minus 14i. And pretty simple, our final answer here is just a negative 48 minus 14i. So let's recap. We're given 1 minus 7i squared. Well, since the whole thing, 7i all squared, since the whole thing was all squared, I can break this apart to two parentheses. 1 minus 7i times 1 minus 7i. Multiplied all parts of my first parenthesis by all parts of my second parenthesis and got 1 minus 7i plus 49i squared. I then combined the negative 7i's together to get negative 14i, and I squared became a negative 1. Negative 1 times 49 was a negative 49. And so negative 49 plus 1 was a negative 48. Brought down a minus 14i to get my final answer of negative 48 minus 14i.